Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, June 26, 2023. We have a very active weather pattern set up with plenty of humidity. You can feel that the minute you go outside. The observations already feature showers and thunderstorms that have moved through the region. Showers and thunderstorms moved through the area and around Freehold earlier this morning, already producing about 0.8 inches of rain and well on the way of pushing over 1 inch of rain once again today. This is going to be the third day in a row that portions of central New Jersey and likely much of the region will feature rainfall amounts possibly pushing over 1 inch. So we're certainly catching up in terms of the rainfall for the month. So pushing above normal at this rate. Now, currently, we have a lot of low clouds in the area, some fog, a lot of humidity. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 70s throughout the region. A few upper 60s are mixed in there as well, where we have a few showers. We have thunderstorms being reported in Reading. Visibility in some locations below 5 miles. Other locations you're pushing up to 10 miles, but it's kind of hazy and just kind of muggy out there. And your dew points are also in the mid to upper 60s, pushing close to 70 degrees, leading to relative humidity out there around 96%, so rather steamy out there. Now, when we take a look at our surface map and radar from WeatherTap, refresh this real fast, and you can see we have one warm front stalled out. This was the initial warm front. We had a short wave here that produced our showers and thunderstorms yesterday. Then we have our next warm front. This is going to support another tropical air mass pushing northward. And you can already see the impact of that warm front producing scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the region. And then behind this warm front, we have this cold front moving through. Now, this cold front moving through is going to set up the potential for showers and thunderstorms throughout today into this evening. And some of these thunderstorms are going to have the potential of being rather severe. We're talking about hail, frequent lightning, torrential downpours, wind gusts over 65 miles per hour, and yes, a few isolated tornadoes. Now, I'm thinking the best potential for that is going to be right in here, right around the Philadelphia metro, southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern New Jersey. You could push into central New Jersey as well, depending on the position of this warm front. But in these areas, you're going to have the mixed dynamics of vertical wind shear, plenty of instability, and plenty of moisture. So when you have that combination, you certainly open yourself up to severe thunderstorms. The rest of the region is also a threat for severe thunderstorms, but I think those locations have the highest threat for tornado. Now, as you head further south, we also have a high threat for showers and thunderstorms and tornadoes and whatnot. What we're going to have to watch out for is to see whether or not these severe thunderstorms down here become so strong that it kind of cuts down on the severe threat here, which is possible. It's always possible in every severe threat. Remember, what goes up must come down. So if we have a lot of rising air to the south of us, you're going to have sinking air over us, which can limit the development of showers and thunderstorms. Basic physics. So we're going to have to watch a lot of moving parts here. This is a perfect example of what we call nowcasting. One thing that has me a bit concerned when I'm taking a look at the model guidance is as we go on through the day, a lot of these low clouds are going to break up and we're going to have clearing. You can start to see that here over Virginia. If we get enough clearing, that's going to stabilize the atmosphere even more, add even more fuel to the fire. So we're going to have to watch. There's a lot of moving parts here in this forecast, but one thing's for sure, the threat for showers and thunderstorms and severe thunderstorms is high today, and use caution as a result. Now, it's very interesting to see the infrared satellite picture. There's a lot of moving parts here. You have your upper level shortwave here from yesterday. That's moving out and weakening. Your next upper level low here over the Great Lakes approaching. And you can see all these cold cloud tops starting to develop here as a result of all of this lifting, all of this rising air. And so we have a lot of moving parts here, and sometimes they're going to work together to support waves of showers and thunderstorms, and sometimes they're going to counteract each other. So it's a very complicated forecast. So consider yourself lucky if you don't get any showers and thunderstorms today. It just stays muggy. Because there's so many different moving parts that is a possibility. I just wouldn't count on it. So when I take a look at the latest mesoscale model guidance, this is the HRR guidance. It's a short-range model. It's kind of designed for convective precipitation, which are thunderstorms. And you can see, you already see the showers and thunderstorms developing north of our warm front. And there's an indication possibility of a wave of showers and thunderstorms with the warm front lifting northward, lifting through central and northern New Jersey into the New York City metro. The speed of that feature is going to be important to see whether or not we get enough lingering low clouds to cool the atmosphere and stabilize it a little bit. So that's the first question here with this wave of showers and thunderstorms. And oh, by the way, as it's lifting through late in the morning and around noon, just in time for everyone to go out to lunch, it's going to be capable of producing some very heavy downpours and very poor visibility, possibly strong wind gusts. Just a nasty situation out there. And then you have a little bit of clearing, and then showers and thunderstorms pop up once again. So very much like Florida, right? So you get this other wave coming through. And then meanwhile, the main line associated with the cold fronts organizing off to the west. So you're going to have the potential here maybe for some isolated tornado development to south of Allentown, around Reading. You can also see that starting to develop around the Philadelphia metro. I am more concerned about these little individual thunderstorms taking shape here, because these individual thunderstorms are what we call supercells. So something that we're going to have to keep an eye on, and then that continues to lift through. And then we have the next wave of showers and thunderstorms coming in behind this as well. And this isn't going to be ending anytime soon. How much so? Well, let's take a look at the rest of our forecast. So today we have showers and thunderstorms moving through with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, mid 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Those mid to upper 80s could touch 90 degrees with some of this clearing, with all, by the way, a lot of humidity. So obviously a very stormy day today. Well, for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, go Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Well, heck, you can go all the way through into the 4th of July. Rinse and repeat. You're going to have troughs hanging around the region, cold fronts attempting to move through every day, and a humid air mass remaining in place every day, with a threat for showers and thunderstorms each afternoon, and low clouds and fog in the morning. Low temperatures for this period will range from the upper 50s to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas. Those are lows, and it's going to feel pretty steamy out there. Now, high temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s, possibly touching 90 degrees in the Delaware River Valley. These conditions, the primary story here will be the humidity in the atmosphere, which is going to open up the potential for showers and thunderstorms every day. But for the most part, most locations will remain in the 80s. So it'll feel more like the lower 90s. It's kind of muggy and kind of disgusting out. But that's essentially the theme going all the way through the 4th of July weekend. So if you're looking for a break, it doesn't look like it's coming anytime soon. This is the pattern that we're going to be stuck in for at least the next 10 days. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.